Deepak Chopra, and as I look across the global landscape, health and chronic disease is the global crisis. Physical chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, cancer, inflammation, chronic disease, physical. Second is mental and emotional crisis, suicide ideation across the globe. And the third is also an existential suffering, spiritual, the fear of old age, infirmity, and death. So our AI, Deepak Chopra.ai, addresses all these areas and how you can enjoy, cultivate, and elevate your spiritual intelligence, your personal well-being, your longevity, and your health span. So we invite you to check out Deepak Chopra.ai.
So I'm Punacham Achaya. I'm the CEO of the Chopra Foundation and co-founder of Cyberhuman.ai with Dr. Deepak Chopra. I'm really excited to launch Deepak Chopra.ai in India, starting with Bangalore. And the goal for Deepak Chopra.ai is to do two things. One is to elevate spiritual intelligence. The second thing is to improve your personal well-being. Today, if you look at Bangalore and globally, mental health is the biggest concern. Every 40 seconds, we lose people to suicide globally, right? I don't need to talk about what's happening in India, but for every 100,000 people, we have less than one psychiatrist. Look at a city like Bangalore, mental health is a huge crisis. But our goal is to really democratize access to well-being. That means providing everybody with the knowledge and the information to transform their well-being. So if you look at it today, what we want to do, it doesn't matter who you are, if you're working in a corporation or a startup or living in rural, my hometown is Kodagu, right? Everybody needs to have information. How do you eat better? How do you move better? How do you manage emotions? How do I sleep? How do I handle relationships, right? What is God, right? So all these questions is what we want to bring together on a simple to use platform, which is on a website. But what is different about us is that we are taking the 95 plus books from Dr. Deepak Chopra. It is not scraping the internet. We've taken the knowledge from Dr. Deepak Chopra with our scientific team and then bring that information to you in your browser. So when you go to deepakchopra.ai, you can type out a question. You know what? I'm studying for my exam tomorrow. I'm stressed. Can you help me with a meditation? Or tomorrow I have a very important meeting with my manager or a review. What do I do? How do I handle my stress? Or you know what? I want to eat better. I just went to the doctor. They diagnosed with me with diabetes. I want to lose weight. Can you help me? So through a conversational interface using AI, our goal is to bring this knowledge to everybody. But the second thing which we want to do, which is very innovative, is to make it accessible, right? Our goal, this has to be as easy as drinking a cup of coffee, right? If you can spend 80 rupees, we can spend for our platform. But this is all about improving your health and well-being, right? We talk about yoga, we talk about, yama, niyama, asana, pranayama. You know that Yoga Sutras have it. But today, if you're a Bangalorean and you are stuck, and you say, you know what, I have 5 minutes, can you give me some exercises? You don't have time to call somebody and to say, come a yoga teacher to come. We can give you that content. So at the end of the day, our goal is to remember just two things, to help you in your journey for health and wellness. We are just starting right now. Our goal is to go talk to corporations. I think I just wanted to first announce it in Bangalore. And then I look at ourselves working with all the corporates in Bangalore. Also, I think the goal over here is more than corporations. I think it's going after everybody. Everybody here needs this information. So you can basically pay for the hour. For 1 hour of use, it's 30 rupees. You can pay by day, it's 80 rupees. Pay for the month, 500 rupees, right? So for one, that's kind of our model, subscription, right? But subscriptions are still very different. You can also pay just by the hour. I want just 1 hour access. So that's what I need right now. So you don't have to pay for monthly subscription and things like that. So my goal, and this is going to evolve over time, because I want to understand how do we work with India, different geographies, and we will have different strategies for different places. But step number one is to make it accessible. You can ask a question in Kannada, you'll get it in Kannada. You can go to your app right now. We always believe that, we share the knowledge and the right people will come. We have 26 million people in our network. And the way we did it, he wrote 95 books. So like I told you, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. So we believe we want to offer health and wellness to everybody. Whoever is going to be there, they'll get it. Very simple. Go to deepakchopra.ai. Simple.